Welcome to all. This video is about the introduction of HTML. In this video I'm going to give you some simple explanation of HTML tags. Before that, you need to know that what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which helps to shows which means to display. So the HTML uses the tags to structure the display content. Okay, this is only for to displaying the content of text, images, videos, links, forms, tables, layouts. Okay, this is the purpose for HTML. So with the help of the HTML only you could display the content. Okay, otherwise if you want to do some graphics, you need to go other things such as a CSS script or JavaScript like that. Okay, so right now I gives you some simple examples for heading, paragraphs, text formats in this HTML. So this is a very simple video. This is a simple example, that's it. So first here h1 tag, this is the main heading. This is the paragraph tag. Okay, if you want to for example, in general the HTML, once you open any tag you must close it, then only the HTML can identify it. So the element was closed. Right now here the next one, paragraph. Just like that you must finish the tag. Okay, so right now I just use the h1 tag and the paragraph tag. Okay, I'm going to run it. So now here you see that the main tag, so the h1 tag, so this is the header, this is the paragraph tag. Okay, now you could see the differences of tags importance. So if you want to use a heading like that, okay, you can use the h1 tag. Okay, here if you want to use a paragraph like that, you can use a paragraph tag. Okay, otherwise, okay, here we have some other elements of it. So you see that the header, so the header is start here and end it there. Okay, you see that. Okay, head start. So the head which contain the meta, so this is the character set, that's a UTF-8, that is a Unicode of it. And the title, so this is a title of so I'm use the title CSLearn. So you see that this title is here, so this is a title is used there. Okay, so the header tag contain which this element. So next one you see that the body tag, so I used only 2 tags now. Next h2 tag. So now you see that the h2 tag, okay, you can see the difference of the header into the, this is a h1 tag, okay, main heading, and so now you see this is the h1 tag, this is the h2 tag. Okay, now go to the h3 tag. Now you see the difference of it. Okay, so this is the h1, h2, h3. So now you can feel the different tag sizes, it's differ from one into another one. Next, h4 tag. Okay, now you see that the difference, h1, h2, h3, h4. Next, h5. And h6. So now you see that, so this is the difference of header, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. This is a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph. So now you can understood the difference of each tags. Okay, so now I'm going to use another one tag, hr. So this is what is the purpose of this. Okay, let me explain here. Next, h2. So here I'm going to open a paragraph tag. Okay, now you see that. So here I'm using the HR. So this is for the line. Okay, if you want to draw any line like that, so it helps to create it. Okay, HR. And now here the paragraph. So if you want to use, so what is the purpose for this code? So this is for used to, okay, to represent the tag. Okay, if you want to use this like this tags, you cannot use it directly. For example, this is for example, if you want to use this tags, okay, you cannot use it in HTML. So here by like you need to enter and LT semicolon P and GT. So this is a way you need to use. Okay, if you want to represent, if you want to use this text in your website, okay, you can use this tags. Okay, next we are going to learn about text formatting. Okay, text formatting. Here we have the number of text formattings available. Okay, which means bold, italic, like that. Okay, one by one I'm going to explain. First, if you want to use the bold, okay, if you want to represent the bold, can use a strong. This is a tag for using the bold characters, bold text. Okay, so this is for using if you want to use a bold text, you can use a bold, sorry, strong tag. Okay, and next another one here, you see that okay, right now here we have the two kinds of tags are there available. Okay, one is this is a strong. This bold was created by strong. This bold was created by the tag B. Okay, you can see this bold was created by tag B. Okay, so but this bold was created by strong. Okay, so you see that if I cannot use a tags here because the HTML identified that this is a tag. Okay, in this HTML it is you cannot use your own tags. Okay, it is predefined tags only accepted by the HTML. Okay, right now you see that, right? So this bold text, so the bold text using strong is used by tag. Okay, right. And next italic. Okay, italic. Okay, you can use the italic by using okay, and here italic used by I. Okay, so there are three ways here to use so right now you see that okay, right now you see that. Okay, now we need some space here. Okay, right. So now now I can okay, so now you see that, so this is this tag was so this italic was created by the em tag, and this italic was created by I tag. So there are two ways we have. And another one, underline. Another one, underline here. So if you want to use underline, you can use a U tag. This is for underline. Okay, if you want to underline the text, you can use underline. So U tag. Okay. So now you see that the now you could see that the underline is words. And next, mark. Next tab was mark. Okay, so now you see the output of the mark. Okay, if you want to highlight the text like that, you can use the mark. Okay, so if you want to highlight the text, you can use a tag mark. Okay, and now I'm going to introduce another one tag, that is delete. Okay, so now you see the output for delete. Okay, you see that if you want to strike out the text like that, you can use deleted del. This tag was useful. And another one example, if you want to use the superscript, and subscript. So now you see the output of it. Okay, here you see that the superscript and subscript. Okay, if you want to use a superscript and subscript. And the next example, if you want to use a pre-formatted text. Okay, how to use a pre-formatted text? Here you can use a tag of pre. Okay, now you see that. Now you see the example of the free pre-formatted text. Okay, here. So this is a pre-formatted text. Okay, so it is aligned. So how you use in a HTML. So based on that, its format was formatted by pre-formatted. Okay, so next we are going to discuss another one example. So how to use links. Okay, for example, if you want to use the link in here, for example, this is my one web page. Okay, go to the another one web page. So create another one web page here. So okay, so this web page is for a link example. Okay, right? So right now I'm going to use this for paragraph. Okay, so now I'm going to open this web page from here. Okay, so this tag is for to open a link. Okay, so once I click it, so this was available here. Okay, I can see it there. Okay, right now. So right now the link is here. Once I click it, it works. So the link was opened. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same link here, home page. Okay, you see that this is a simple web page. reference equaled, you see the home page is there. home page. So now I'm going to run it. Why? Oh. Okay, now it works. You see that home page and into the link example page. Okay, so this is the way actually the website works. Okay, if you see in a website how many pages, every single pages was built by the HTML. Today we are using many scripting language with the HTML. Okay, that is actually portrayed to us the website efficiency. Okay, we are using multiple scripting languages for every special purpose. For example, if you want to use multiple colors, design and graphics in your website, you must go with the CSS script. And if you want to use some of the functions, actions like that, you must go with the JavaScript. So like that, if you want to use a database, you must use PHP and MySQL. These are all there. Okay, so right now this HTML file was stored into the web server. So in a client send the request to the web server, so the web server gives you every single web page one by one, so based on your click. So for example, right now I'm clicking, it means the request was sent to the web server. It gives you the related HTML page. Okay, so this is a simple website example. So I hope you understood. It's easy, it's simple to understood, I guess. Okay, so get practice. Practice make possible anything. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.